Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Border Gateway Protocol, otherwise known as BGP. We're going to go over BGP communities, the BGP Weight Attribute, BGP Multi-Exit Discriminator, external BGP Multihop, and also BGP Update Source Loopback, and how to implement these within BGP. So what we have is a simple network diagram. We have Autonomous System 100 and we have Autonomous System 200, which are the ISP R1 and ISP R2. Those two routers are in AS200. We have two connections from the customer router to the ISP. We have a T1 and a T3 line. We have 4 loopbacks on the customer router to simulate our back-end customer networks, and on our ISP we have RIP version 2 running as our interior gateway protocol, our IGP. So under the customer router, we're going to go under BGP configuration mode. So we're going to go router BGP 100, and we are going to peer with ISP 1R1. Again, this is going to be an external BGP link. We're going to put in the neighbor command of 130.0.1.2 with the remote AS of 200. And then we're going to also specify the connection on the customer side. We'll do the neighbor command for the 1.2 as well, and we'll do the update source loopback 5. So we're going to be using the loopback 5 interface for the BGP updates to come in on. Instead of the physical interface, we're going to be using a logical interface, our loopback interface. And we do that with the update source command. So we're going to use update source loopback 5. So BGP should be sending and receiving updates on this interface, or using this as the source for the BGP traffic. And then also on the customer router, we're going to specify the EBGP Multihop command, and we're going to set this to 2. So all this command is doing is saying, in the normal operation of BGP, external BGP, you would peer directly to the interface IP address, the physical interface IP address. So with the EBGP Multihop 2, this is changing the TTL value of 2, which allows the hop, instead of being directly connected or having one single hop from one interface to another, EBGP Multihop 2 will allow us to bypass this default external BGP configuration. So this goes along with the loopback update source loopback command. That way the router will be able to go to the loopback for the updates, for the BGP updates. So that's what EBGP Multihop 2 allows us to do. Without that command, our BGP neighbor relationship would not form correctly.